How to use Autopilot Enterprise Marketing properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Autopilot Enterprise is a powerful marketing automation platform, but beginners often make mistakes that limit its effectiveness. Most people think setting up email sequences is enough, but the real value comes from strategic automation and personalization. A major mistake is not using customer journeys effectively. Autopilot allows you to map complex journeys based on behavior, triggers, and customer attributes. Beginners often stick to simple sequences, missing opportunities to nurture leads intelligently. For example, you can trigger a follow-up email only if a user clicks a specific link or visits a certain page, increasing engagement and conversions. Another common error is underutilizing segmentation. Autopilot can segment contacts by demographics, behavior, or engagement levels. Sending the same message to everyone reduces relevance and opens, leading to lower ROI. Targeted campaigns drive better engagement and make marketing efforts more measurable. Many users also overlook integration with CRM and analytics tools. Connecting Autopilot to your sales and support systems ensures a complete view of the customer, enabling smarter automation. Without integration, automated campaigns may miss critical context about leads or customers. Tracking and analyzing campaign performance is another area beginners neglect. Autopilot offers detailed metrics on email opens, clicks, conversions, and journey performance. Ignoring this data prevents optimization and wastes marketing resources. Finally, inconsistent content and messaging are a hidden trap. Automating without maintaining brand voice or message continuity can confuse your audience. Plan templates, style, and timing carefully to preserve consistency across all touchpoints. To use Autopilot Enterprise properly, design intelligent customer journeys, segment effectively, integrate with other tools, monitor performance, and maintain consistent messaging. Avoiding these mistakes will make your marketing automation smarter, more personalized, and ultimately more profitable.